Hello, 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 hello. Good morning from sunny northeastern BC, Canada. This is Sister Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And yes, it's really sunny today. It's beautiful. I love it when it's sunny. I have such spirit when it's sunny morning. For today's recipe, it is blueberry muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 2 eggs, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, canola, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 cup of water, and we're gonna add in half cup of blueberries. Then we're gonna process this into a smooth mixture. Ingredients: this is 2 cups of flour, half cup of sugar, 1 heaping tablespoon of baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. Make a well in the center. You know the drill. We're gonna pour in our liquid mixture in the center. Purple liquid. Now we're just gonna put it and mix it until just combine. Like so. Now we're just gonna drop it for half cup, if not 3/4 cup, to a grease pan. Like so, and we're gonna bake it for 18 to 20 minutes on preheated 400 Fahrenheit. You can bake it right away, or you can drop some blueberry on top. It's up to you. Again, 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven on preheated 400 Fahrenheit.